Hello there. Today let's simplify Kaspa. Imagine finding gold, but instead of a pickaxe, you use your computer. That's kind of what Kaspa is all about. Kaspa is a new type of cryptocurrency, kind of like Bitcoin, but with some cool twists. Think of it as a digital treasure chest everyone can access. But instead of one big bank holding the key, everyone has a copy. This makes it super secure and fair. It is a faster, more efficient, and environmentally friendly way to handle digital money. Who made Kaspa? The Kaspa project doesn't have a single founder in the traditional sense. It was initiated and developed by a research and development team called DAG Labs. However, two key figures within DAG Labs are often referred to as the founders, due to their significant contributions. Jonathan Sompolinski and Michael Sutton. They envisioned the project, invented its core technology, and laid the foundation for its success. Think of them as tech adventurers creating a better treasure map for everyone. Kaspa is a community-driven project, meaning anyone can contribute to its development. There's no single leader or company behind it. Why was it made? People wanted a better way to handle digital money. The global need for something faster, cheaper, and more secure than existing options. Kaspa is like a digital playground designed for people to use special money called Kaspa coins in order to facilitate global payment transactions. It's run by lots of people working together. They also wanted a system that was fair and sustainable for everyone involved. That's why Kaspa was born. The creators also wanted to build a digital world where nobody has too much power, and everyone can use digital money safely and fairly. It's like creating a playground where everyone gets to play by the same rules. How does it work? Instead of using big computers to solve puzzles, called proof of work, Kaspa uses a different method called proof of stake. Think of it as staking your claim on the treasure by holding some Kaspa in your digital wallet. The longer you hold, the more likely you are to find some new Kaspa. This makes it easier on your computer and the planet. Kaspa uses a special technology called GhostDAG, which is like a super highway for digital transactions. It's designed to be faster and more energy efficient than traditional blockchain systems. Think of it like getting to the slide on the playground in a flash without needing tons of energy. Benefits from Kaspa for regular people. Faster transactions. Imagine sending money across the world in seconds, not hours. Kaspa can handle it, making online payments a breeze. Lower fees. No more hefty tolls for sending your digital money. Greener mining. Kaspa is a responsible treasure hunter. It is very energy efficient, and this makes it better for the planet. Community-driven, everyone with Kaspa has a say in its future. It's like owning a piece of the treasure map and deciding where to dig next. Investing in Kaspa. Investing in Kaspa is like buying a shovel for the digital gold rush. The value can go up or down, so be cautious. You can buy Kaspa coins through certain exchanges and platforms listed on coinmarketcap.com or coingecko.com. So in summary, if you're looking for a greener, faster, and energy-efficient technology to invest in, then Kaspa might be worth exploring.